Hey, everyone, welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. Today we're exploring a warm and useful word, neighborly. So, what does a neighborly mean? It describes someone who is friendly, kind, and helpful to the people living nearby. When you act in a neighborly way, you show care and goodwill toward your neighbors. For example, if your neighbor is sick and you bring them homemade soup or help carry their groceries, that's being neighborly. It's about building good relationships in your community. In British English, we spell it neighbourly with a U, while Americans often write neighbourly without the U. Both mean the same thing. This word comes from a neighbour, meaning someone who lives close to you, plus the suffix ly, that turns it into an adjective. It paints a picture of a peaceful, supportive neighborhood where people look out for each other. Now let's learn some powerful synonyms you can use instead of neighbourly. Friendly, helpful, kind, considerate, amiable, cordial, sociable, hospitable, obliging, companionable. You can say, she has a very neighborly nature, or, he is always friendly and helpful to everyone on the street. Both work perfectly. Using neighborly makes your English sound more natural and rich. Imagine telling a story, our new neighbor is so neighborly, she always greets us with a smile and shares her garden vegetables. It creates a lovely picture, doesn't it? Remember, being neighborly isn't just about words, it's a beautiful habit that makes communities stronger and happier. Start small today, smile at your neighbor or offer a helping hand. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more simple and fun vocabulary lessons, and comment below one neighborly thing you've done recently. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep thriving. See you in the next video.